Where is Emma's passport? I think I forgot it. Oh no, this can't be happening.
Family trip disaster at the airport. Emma, are you ready for the trip?
Yes, Mom, I packed everything.
Kids, we're leaving for the airport.
Yay! Dubai, here we come.
I'm so excited to fly.
Me too. It's gonna be fun.
Everyone, grab your bags.
I have mine right here.
Let's go. We might be late.
I don't want to miss the plane.
The airport is so big. Look at all the planes.
Stay close to us, kids.
Okay, Mom.
Time to check in.
I want the window seat.
Passports, please.
Here are ours.
Where is Emma's passport? I think I forgot it. Oh no, this can't be happening. Emma, check your bag.
It's not here.
Oh. Did you leave it at home?
I think I forgot it.
Oh no, what will we do?
Stay calm, everyone. We need to go back quickly.
I'm really sorry.
Mistakes happen, but we must fix them. Let's hurry home.
We can still make it. I feel so bad.
It's okay, just learn from it. Next time, double check.
Here we are. Get the passport.
Found it.
Good job, Emma. Let's go back fast. We are back at the airport.
We made it just in time.
Passports, please. Here's mine.
Everything looks good. Thank you.
I'm so relieved.
That was close. Always check important things.
I understand now.
Let's go to the gate.
I'm excited again.
I won't forget anything again.
That's the spirit.
Boarding has started.
Let's get on. I love airplanes.
Welcome aboard. Please make yourself comfortable and enjoy the flight.
Window seat is mine. Mom, look outside.
Sit down and buckle up.
Ready? The plane is taking off. Wow, look outside. This is amazing.
Jake, are we in Dubai yet?
Almost there.
I can't wait to explore.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've landed at Dubai International Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Thank you for flying with us, and welcome to Dubai.
We made it. I'm so happy.
Yeah. Oh, me too. Let's start our adventure.
Yay! I see tall buildings.
Yeah, that must be Burj Khalifa.
Say cheese. Cheese. Stay together, kids.
We will.
Time for some fun. Let's go.
Wow, look at the giraffes. They are so tall. We had so much fun at the zoo. Look at all the souvenirs we got.
I want to try everything. Where are we going now?
Best trip ever.
Yes.
Wow, look at all those boats in Dubai. They're so big and beautiful. This boat ride is so much fun. I love the view.
Wow, are all these flowers real? Look, a castle made of flowers. This place is like a dream. This is the famous Dubai Fountain Show. The water is dancing. How does it do that?
It's so beautiful. I love the sand and the water.
Look at all the sand. It's huge.
This place is huge. I want to try everything.
Wow, it's flying so fast. Amazing bird. This is so fun. I love camping.
I love the desert.
Yeah.
I'm packing my things now.
Time to pack souvenirs. Let's not forget anything.
Yes, Mom.
Look at the lights. Dubai is beautiful.
Bye, Dubai. I don't want to leave.
So many beautiful memories together.
Until next time, Dubai, we will come again.